Hello, Todd Whitehurst here again from Whitehurst Legal Services in Wabash, Indiana. The last video that we did discussing establishment of paternity, we kind of broke it down into three areas: physical custody of a child, legal custody, as well as child support. So touch briefly on the topic of child support. You can look online, the Indiana Child Support Calculator, and it's kind of ran through the Indiana Supreme Court. They have it available online, and it is basically just a calculation or a form. You generally plug in the gross wages of the mother and the father, and that is going to spit out at the end of that document a weekly child support amount. Now, things that can change that amount, greater or lesser as far as the child support, is the amount of overnights that a father would spend with their child. That is the way that the state kind of forces, unfortunately, some fathers to spend more time with their children as if they know they will get a credit, and it lowers their support obligation. Those are the biggest things that's going to change that amount. There are other things that go into consideration. Is there a parent that is providing or paying for health insurance for the child? Are there daycare expenses? Things like that. So if you have some questions, feel free to call our office, but you can also, like I said, get online and look at that child support calculator and make sure it's the one for the state of Indiana, and you can go in there and plug in some numbers, and at least it will give you a rough idea as to the typical and normal child support calculation amount that's based upon all those numbers and variables, but at the end of the day, it will give you a rough estimate of what the weekly child support obligation may be. Thank you.